Alright, party people, we back at it again. We got the DJI Mini 5 Pro unboxing, baby. It just came in today from my people from eBay. The store is called With Us. Link will be in the description. It's been a bad 2 months for you, boy. I have lost 2 drones, my Air 3S Flyaway and the Mavic 4 Pro. Had that gimbal error. You might have seen my video on it. Luckily, the people at With Us that I bought the Mavic 4 Pro from sent me a FedEx return label, and I'll send it back to them, and they send it back to DJI, so that's in the works. But enough of all that crying, let's get to the unboxing, people. Gonna rip that thing off like that, yeah? Come on. Come on. Get that on. Take that on off. You don't need that no more. Come on. Bam. Bam. Y'all know what it is. DJI. The bag. What's in the bag, people? You know what it is. They always give you a nice high quality bag. Just gonna zip that bad boy. Bam. I got the one with the regular remote that you got to put your phone on. Because of the simple fact, if you watch my other video, you know I already got this bad boy, the Pro 2. So this gonna be added to the collection of maybe if everything else break one day, I'll have an extra one. So we ain't even gonna put this on the table. You don't even deserve to be on the table. We gonna put you on the back table where you gonna stay at. Bam, we just gonna leave that boy right there. And boom. See what we got here. We got us some propellers. So let's look at these ND filters real quick like. Bam. Got that DJI label on there. And there you go, people. Nice high quality nice high quality DJI ND filters. We got a 8, a 32, and a 128. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. You ain't even got to go out there and get them bad boys. They give them to you. Here we go. Bam. Here goes the battery pack. Well, here goes the battery charger with the 2 batteries in there. So I did get the Fly More combo with the regular remote. Not the fancy smancy, because like I said, I got the RC2 Pro. And bam. And so here we go. Nice high quality Mini 5 Pro. You see what I'm talking about, people. Look at this beautiful thing. Look at this beautiful thing. So in comparison, here's your Neo and your Mini 5 Pro. Come on, people, come on. Let's take off this dog collar, this muzzle, and bam. We're gonna take that off, put that over here. Take all this off, remove this, because you know I don't want to fly it with, but look at this thing. This thing is so small. Look at that. Bam, bam, look at that. Look at that. Let's go and move this out the way. Bam. Look at that. So here you go, people. This is what comes in the box. You got your propellers. You got your wires. You got your battery. And ND filter. And I'm not even gonna show you the remote because I'm not using that bad boy. I'm using this one. Bam! Yeah, I'm using this one. I might have lost 15 drones this week, but I still got this remote and I'm gonna use it on the Mini 5 Pro, god dang it. To all my people, my drone folks, y'all know DJI is in trouble in the US. And we are going to be basically, it's crazy because like the US don't want us to have the nicest stuff in the world because this is the best tech for drones in the world. We all know it. But maybe they know something that we don't know. So we're gonna rock with the US. We don't know what you're doing. We don't like it. But maybe you know something that we don't know. But hopefully DJI and the US can make kiss and make up and we don't have to even worry about it. But hey, this is what it is. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Are you gonna get the Mini 5 Pro? Do you have it? Is the DJI band some bullshit? Do you like my nice high quality Ray-Ban displays? Comment down below. Once again, it's your boy, the Drone Dreamer. Till next episode, people. Peace.